St Patrick's Day was celebrated in London today with the annual parade taking place around Trafalgar Square in the city centre. The festival, which was attended by Tánaiste Simon Harris, includes music, poetry, LGBTQ plus stories and an Old Bog cottage.
They start the party early in London with the festival on the Sunday before the big day. This year's Grand Marshal is Irish writer Emma de Beery, seen here flanked by the Tánaiste and Ireland's ambassador to London.
London is of course one of the most Irish cities in the world. Ireland has such a proud tradition in terms of the impact that Irish people made in helping to build this great city, and today we're here celebrating culture, celebrating historical links, celebrating heritage, celebrating economic links.
Those connections bring many Londoners out to enjoy the day.
My wife has Irish heritage, connection, so I'm sort of embracing the occasion.
We're from Essex. My dad was originally from near Kilkenny, so we come here, never been for a couple of years, but we've been a few times. It's always a good day, isn't it?
In Trafalgar Square, sounds, tastes, and a replica of a 19th century cottage gave an Irish flavour to the centre of London, with Londoners of many backgrounds joining in. Coleman O'Sullivan, RTE News.